Today, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF as PDF/A with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is especially useful when you need to archive documents long-term or meet specific compliance standards, as PDF/A is designed to preserve documents exactly as they are for years to come. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature isn't available in all versions of Acrobat. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace with various options for managing your PDF files. Now navigate to Recent Files. This section shows you all the PDFs you've worked on recently, making it easy to find the document you need. From this list, select the file you want to convert to PDF/A, click on it to open the document in your main workspace. Once your file is open, look over to the left panel. This is where you'll find all the editing and conversion tools available in Acrobat. Click on View More to expand the full list of options. This reveals additional features beyond the basic tools that are displayed by default. Next, scroll down through the options until you find Apply PDF Standards and click it. This tool is specifically designed to help you convert documents to meet various PDF standards, including PDF/A, which is the archival format we're aiming for. It ensures your document meets the strict requirements for long-term preservation. In the left panel that appears after clicking Apply PDF Standards, you'll see different conversion options. Click on Save as PDF/A. This action initiates the conversion process, which may take a moment depending on the size and complexity of your document. Adobe Acrobat will automatically adjust your PDF to meet PDF/A compliance standards. Now you'll need to select the file location where you want to save this converted document on your computer. Browse to the folder that makes sense for your workflow, whether that's a specific project folder or your general documents directory. If needed, you can rename the file at this stage. This is helpful if you want to distinguish the PDF/A version from your original file. Once you've chosen your location and finalized the file name, click Save. Your document is now converted and saved as a PDF/A file, ready for archiving or submission wherever it's required. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.